Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working. So guys, this start with wasting any time. If you have updated your device to the latest version, then Apple CarPlay not working, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to channel and make sure that you have selected the right car. From here you have to select the car, then go back, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now open settings again, scroll it down, tap on screen time. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to content and privacy restrictions. From here you have to go to allowed apps, and from here you have to make sure that if this tool is turned on, if this is turned on, just simply have to turn off, and after 30 or 40 seconds then turn it on again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to his id and passcode. Now from here guys, you have to locate for accessories. From here you have to make sure that if this tool is turned on, so you have to turn on this tool and go back, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting. From here guys, you have to make sure that you're properly connected with the internet. Okay guys, just simply turn on aeroplane mode and then turn it off, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down, make sure that your date and time is correct, then go back and just simply have to transfer reset iPhone. Okay guys, just simply you have to reset your network setting, and after that you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then at the end what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the iOS, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.